Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to change the color of this font here. We're going to change it to white with a red background. So it's not too hard to do. So what we need to do is we need to get into this file here. And once you're in this file, you'll want to scroll down until you see this line here. The only thing we're going to be concentrating on is this area here and this area here. So what we'll do is we'll put our cursor up here. So we need to change this 2 to a 7. So that's one thing. Then we can go ahead and type in 0, 3, 3, then the bracket 4, 1, M, then another bracket. So it should look like this. Then after that, we need to scroll over here. Just taking my time here, so I'm doing this right, not messing up. We need to change that to a 7. And that is it. So what we can do is do Control X, Y, Enter to save. Then we are going to run. If I put my key cursor at the right spot, we can do source bash or C, and there we go. Then if you want to put it back, just obviously put back what we put in, what we took out and changed. So that's it. That's all you have to do to get it to change there. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.